Hi traders, welcome to the daily analysis from Trade with Asim and Sajjad. Before we begin, I would recommend, if you haven't opened a real account yet, or if you are not satisfied with your current broker, you can try our top recommended brokers. If you need any further help, you can contact us so we can advise you according to your budget and your location. So let's begin our analysis with the economic calendar. This morning we missed a few news data. The most important was RBA interest rate decision and RBA rate statement. Though at that time Australian dollar didn't move, but after almost 15 minutes, then there was a huge spike up in the Australian pair. At the moment, it's also doing quite well, and I think until the day end, it's going to close in green. Later on, we are expecting for Euro Spanish unemployment change. It might just give us 20 to 30 pips. It's just a medium impact news. After that, we have GBP construction PMI. The forecast is same, but I think it will give some strength to GBP pairs. Other than that, we have some medium impact news, most probably 10 to 20 pips, so nothing special for the rest of the day. Let's move to the US dollar index, and US dollar index at the moment is just looking like a slow movement or sideways because it's holiday in the US because of the Independence Day, and the market will close at 13 GMT. So for the next 2 days we expect a slower movement or a one-way movement in the market. Or most probably US dollar might be weaker for a couple of days. If we compare it on the hourly time frame, here it is. You can see this morning it opened with the gap down, but then it recovered. The price got rejected here, and at the moment it's going down. So for the next few hours, I expect that it will just continue its further downward movement. So if we look at the daily time frame, my target for today is 94.15. It keeps falling down. On the other side, if it goes up, then it's heading to 95.30. We see Euro USD, and Euro USD is looking quite good at the moment. Though this morning it went down, but then it's holding its level for the last 6 to 7 hours, and though right now the price got rejected here, but I expect that it will continue its upward momentum. So for the daily time frame, my target for today is 1.1723. It looks quite achievable, though yesterday it closed in red, but today overall momentum is going to be bullish for the Euro USD and all other pairs. In case it drops, so then it's going to 1.1588. Let's see how GBPUSD is at the moment, and GBPUSD is also doing well, though early morning it looked like it's dropping, but then it just recovered, and so far it's doing good. We see it on the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame too, just like Euro USD, it's supposed to go up for at least next 2 days. For today, my target is 1.3238 and above, and if it keeps dropping, then it can go again to 1.3045. Let's confirm it on the 1 hour time frame too. If we just squeeze the chart, here it is. At the moment, this 100 moving average is preventing its upward momentum, but hopefully by next 1 or 2 hours it will break this level, and straightly it will go to this level. We move to USD CAD. USD CAD did well yesterday, hold its position, and then even went up. Even this morning it tried to go up, but at the moment, because of the US market, it's just dropping, and I'm looking at 1.3131. The oil prices are also going up again, so it's taking USDCAD to at least 1.30 in the next few days, and even further it can down more in the next week. On the other hand, if it keeps going up, it's heading to 1.3266. We see on the hourly time frame, and on the hourly time frame too, you see it did well yesterday actually, but then the price dropped. Then this morning it tried to continue the upward momentum, but the price got rejected. Here you can see this is very important. For the 5 or 6 hours it did try its best but couldn't break this level, so I'm pretty much sure it's heading to 1.3131 today. Our last pair is gold, and gold is overall bearish. It's heading to its weekly support level, but today it looks quite good, and I'm looking at 1248 at least for today. It can go up, and from there it can drop again. The momentum looks good since this morning, and in case it drops, so then it's again going to 1236.52 and below. We can confirm the movement at the 1 hour time frame. Here you can see this morning it went down, but then it just recovered, and at the moment it's doing quite well. I am hopeful it can reach to our expected target 1248.06. So that's all for today. Wishing you a best of luck. I will see you with a new video. Until then, take care and bye.